Hey there, Shopify merchants! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. We're going to show you how to manage inventory in Shopify. There are 6 steps in total, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your stock levels accurate and your customers happy. Let's get started. Why is inventory management so important? Proper inventory management ensures you have the right amount of stock to meet customer demand without overstocking or running out of items. This leads to improved cash flow, reduced storage costs, and increased customer satisfaction. Let's start by setting up inventory tracking in Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Products, and then select a product you want to manage. Under the Inventory section, make sure the Track Quantity box is checked. Enter the quantity of the product you have in stock and save your changes. This will allow Shopify to automatically update your inventory levels as sales are made. If you have multiple locations, you can organize your inventory by location. In the Shopify admin panel, go to Settings, then Locations. Add each location where you store inventory. Once your locations are set up, go to Products, select a product, and assign it to a specific location. This helps you keep track of where your inventory is stored. Inventory transfers are useful for moving stock between locations. In the Shopify admin panel, go to Products, then Transfers. Click on Create Transfer and select the source and destination locations. Enter the products and quantities you want to transfer and save the transfer. This keeps your inventory levels accurate across all locations. For advanced inventory management, you can use apps from the Shopify App Store. But how do you choose the best one? That's where Taranker comes in. Taranker offers comprehensive reviews and comparisons of various inventory management apps, helping you make an informed decision. Go to Taranker.com and navigate to the Shopify Inventory Management Apps category. Here, you can explore the top free apps, top 20 apps 2024, and best apps lists. You can also use the Compare feature to evaluate different apps based on user reviews and detailed comparisons. Once you've selected the inventory management app that fits your needs, you can proceed to install it through the Shopify App Store. For this example, we'll use Predico Inventory Management. Search for Predico Inventory Management on Taranker, click Install App, and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the app and connect it to your Shopify store. Predico Inventory Management offers various tools to manage your inventory, including forecasting, purchase orders, and more. Monitoring your inventory levels regularly is essential. Use tools like Shopify's built-in reports and the inventory management app you installed to track your stock levels, identify trends, and make informed decisions about reordering. Regularly review your inventory reports to ensure accuracy and adjust your stock levels as needed to meet customer demand. And that's it. You've learned how to manage inventory in Shopify in 6 steps. By following these steps and leveraging the right tools, you can keep your stock levels accurate and your customers happy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!